Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to show or hide outline symbols with Excel options. In the Excel options dialog box, you can turn the outline symbols on and off with clicks. Please do as follows. Click the File tab and click the More and select Options. In the Excel options dialog box, click Advanced and scroll down and go to the Display options for this worksheet section. Here, specify the worksheet that you want to show or hide the outline symbols. It's the second sheet. Then click check or uncheck show outline symbols. If an outline is applied, as you need to show or hide the outline symbols, I will uncheck it. And then click OK. The outline symbols in the specified worksheet will be hidden or displayed at once. As you can see, my outline symbols are hidden. If you want to display them again, repeat the same procedure. Click File, in the More, select Option, click Advanced and scroll down to the Display options for this worksheet section and check the show outline symbols. If an outline is applied, click OK. The outline symbol will be displayed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.